Hey guys, I let AI roast my design skills. Yeah, you heard that right. So, I just found a website that will humble any designer in 5 minutes. It is called as Design Spark. You get a random problem, a random constraint, and exactly 5 minutes to write your solution. And then AI tears it apart. I mean, literally tears it apart. So, let me show you the problem. Let's start the Spark a challenge. So now you have less than 5 minutes now, and there is a problem already staring at you. And the problem is build a notification system that respects user attention while ensuring the alerts get through. Now, I had been thinking about it, and already you can see I have less than almost 3 minutes left. And so, what do I do? The interface must work without any images. So let me share some of my solutions here. So maybe you know uh, whatever build a notification system that respects user attention while important alerts get through. Okay, that's a very interesting problem. So maybe uh, so build a event classification and rotate route the most important one, the most important one on the device. Add categories, maybe add categories, add categories to the alerts like billing or some mentions or some etc. And uh, maybe priority, is it urgent or informational or informational, uh, maybe uh, you know give a sound give a sound to every alert that's critical that's critical only. And uh, limit limit the number of alerts, say X per hour. Maybe divert alerts to inbox. That also sounds good, because so that there is a single source of truth. How much time is left? Oh my god, time is running out. Okay, 17, 16, 15, 14, I don't know. Let me show it to you. Okay, so I'm done here. Let's see. It's time for the evaluation. All right. So the answer is logged. Okay, and time's up. I know that. Now get AI feedback. Fingers crossed. So now AI is analyzing the solution for the problem that was given as a challenge. Oh, uh, I will be really happy to see 6 out of 10 because that's a rare score that you get. Usually, I have I have had the privilege of getting 4 and 3 also. So, anyways, now the AI critic is the proposed solution offers a foundational approach to the notification management, focusing on categorization and prioritization. While it addresses the core problem of respecting user attention, it lacks. Okay, so this is where I got some of my scores got detected because it lacks specific implementation details and a more nuanced understanding of user control. The text only constraint is met, but overall vision could be more innovative. All right. So there's another set of breakdown that this tool gives you is about the parameter breakdown. That means on aesthetics. As a text-based solution outline, aesthetics aren't applicable here. So it has given a generous 5 out of 10. For functional, the proposed features like classification, which I entered, the prioritization, sound for critical, etc., directly addresses both parts. And that's where I scored probably highest 7 out of 10. And so that's a real confidence booster for me that I was on the right direction. From ergonomics, again, it has given 6. That it improves the user interaction by reducing the notification noise. However, without details on these settings are exposed or managed by the user, or the ergonomic benefits are theoretical. Okay, from maintenance point of view, categorization and priority levels can be refined and updated by admin, so making the system maintainable. Limiting alerts might require periodic review of thresholds, but still it has given me 7 out of 10, which is again a good sign. From sustainability, this has given me a parameter that is less directly applicable to the conceptual notification system. It doesn't inherently promote or hinder the environmental sustainability, but is efficient in terms of users' attention bandwidth. I don't know what exactly it means, but yeah, it has given me 5 out of 10. For form, for usability, it is 6 out of 10. For interaction, it is 5 out of 10. For durability, safety, cost, material, blah blah blah. So you can see it has taken it has not only given the score, but it has given a parameter of the breakdown that on all these aspects for any design, how your solution fares, and which I found it very intriguing and very helpful. And not only the judgment, but it has given me some more directions that how it can be improved. So introduce user configurable settings to allow users to customize notification preferences. Probably because of the timer, I totally missed out, and this is a very good suggestion. Uh, and that's the power of time boxing. So when you box a time and try to think about the design solution, I think that's where we get maximum number of creative ideas, and that is something applied in design thinking also. At many times you must have seen that while we are into exercise of empathy mapping, or uh, we box the time for say 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and then we start you know recording that what the user sees, feels, says, etc. So I think this is the exact exercise. Another suggestion that the system gives is elaborate on the single source of truth inbox. So what information does it contain? How is it organized? Are there filtering or search capabilities? Because this is crucial for managing non-urgent alerts. Yeah, good suggestion. Add more detail on how priority is determined and communicated to the user beyond just urgent or informational. So that means apart from urgent and informational, there has to be a priority also to be determined, and consider different levels of urgency or contextual triggers. So some good key takeaways for the problem that was given to me, and for the solution that I came up in almost 5 minutes. Now, another good part about this tool, what I found is it allows you to export it as a case study. So that means you can save this challenge as a portfolio ready case study. So I can simply download the entire PNG form in the PNG format, and when you open it, it just looks like this. So that means whatever you have done, it just saves it as a card, which you can either include it in any of your portfolio, or maybe save it as a souvenir at the most. And so this is I found it as a good feature. You can copy it also, and copy it and paste it in one of the case study, and then probably further work on it and elaborate it. So this is the preview of the entire thing, and this is my scorecard which I got. So uh, so let me know, how did you find this site? Is it interesting, or is it I found it very interesting. Instead of, I mean, endless reel watching or endless scrolling on the mobile, I think it keeps on giving you some real good challenges on the design front from different domains. So for example, if I say start another challenge, and immediately I have a domain called social platform. Build a notification system that respects user attention while ensuring important alerts get through. Now this is for the social platform. The previous one was for, if you noticed, it was for the e-commerce. So and then if I give a new one, and then again it gives me pretty much the same one. Okay, now this time it has given me a domain for industrial design. Design a checkout flow that reduces cart abandonment for impulse purchases. The constraint is that interface must work without any images. So, what are your solutions? Well, why don't you visit the site and just try it yourself?